Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a bamboo glass. I got the police wife design. I'm doing a clear bamboo glass today. I got a couple other ones here on the table. A frosted one and a purple infused one. So first we want to wipe it off with the alcohol to make sure we get all the little things off. And then we want to press down our design to make sure we get it so that it sticks onto the transfer. So we use the squeegee to do that, and then we start peeling it back a little bit. You got to pull it back. Sometimes it gets a little hard. Okay, I want to get a little bit more of this. It's not all the way dry. Make sure it's dry before we put this on. So now we wrap it around and make sure it's lined up right. Once we get it lined up right, we can put it down here on this big purple pink thing here. Pink pink thing. This helps keep it aligned properly. You pull it back. Once you pull it back, then you can stick it down on the glass and turn it around and start squeegeeing and pull the plastic liner up as you squeegee around and get the design to stick on the glass. Make sure you squeegee it real good. Use your squeegee and get it to lay down. You can use your hand as well. Some people like to use their hand. I like to use a little bit of both just to make sure it's down real good. So I'll go around again to make sure it's down. Y'all see my fish in the back swimming around? Okay, now once we get it squeegee down real good, we pull the other plastic layer off. And then we'll have the design on the glass. So we're pulling this back, making sure that the design adheres to the glass, it sticks to the glass. And that's why we want to make sure we squeegee it real good. And we get it off, and boom. There we got the police wife clear glass bamboo. We got a frosted one here with Dog Mom. That's mine. And then this one is Sydney's.